Hi, gorgeous! Welcome to FemGlow, and thank you for being here. Are you looking for a way to transform your hair, longer, stronger, and healthier, all in just 2 weeks? In this video, we're diving into simple, natural tips and remedies that work wonders without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. From secret ingredients to everyday habits, discover how you can nourish your hair from root to tip and achieve the length and shine you've always wanted. Stay tuned, because these methods might just change your hair game forever. To begin your hair washing routine, start by gently brushing your hair with a wooden brush. This not only helps detangle your strands, but also provides a soothing massage for your scalp, stimulating circulation and promoting healthy growth. Aim to wash your hair just 2 to 3 times a week using a sulfate-free, mild shampoo, as this helps retain your hair's natural oils and prevents overdrying. When you wash, opt for lukewarm water instead of hot water, as excessive heat can strip away the natural moisture your hair needs to stay soft and healthy. After shampooing, it's essential to apply conditioner to keep your hair hydrated and to enhance its shine. Focus the conditioner on the mid-lengths and tips of your hair, avoiding the scalp to prevent excess oil buildup. Lastly, take the time to understand your scalp type, so you can select a shampoo that caters specifically to your hair's unique needs, ensuring it stays vibrant and nourished. A dry scalp often feels tight and itchy, with flakiness caused by low oil production. To care for it, use moisturizing shampoos with ingredients like aloe vera or coconut oil, limit washing, and nourish the scalp with lightweight oils. An oily scalp producing excess sebum can make hair greasy and prone to dandruff. Opt for clarifying shampoos with ingredients like tea tree oil or salicylic acid, and avoid applying heavy conditioners to the roots. A sensitive scalp is reactive, experiencing redness or itching, and benefits from hypoallergenic shampoos with calming ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera, while avoiding harsh chemicals. A normal scalp has a natural balance of oils and requires minimal care. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner, washing 2 to 3 times a week. By identifying your scalp type, you can tailor your routine to keep your hair and scalp in optimal health. Incorporating a nourishing hair mask into your routine once a week can revitalize your hair and address specific concerns, offering a natural way to enhance its health and beauty. My favorite option is a flaxseed gel hair mask, perfect for adding moisture and defining curls. To make it, simply combine a 1/4 cup of flax seeds with 2 cups of water. Simmer until a gel-like consistency forms, and then strain and cool it before applying generously to your hair. If your hair feels dry or damaged, try an avocado and olive oil hair mask, blending 1 ripe avocado with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey to create a rich, creamy treatment that deeply hydrates and restores softness. For those seeking to improve scalp health and add shine, the yogurt and aloe vera hair mask is ideal. Mix 1/2 cup of plain yogurt with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and a teaspoon of coconut oil to create a soothing and conditioning mask that leaves your scalp refreshed and your hair glowing with vitality. By using these masks regularly, you'll nourish your hair naturally while enjoying a relaxing and rejuvenating self-care routine at home. Determining your hair's porosity is crucial to selecting the right oil and ensuring that your hair receives the best care possible, as different porosity types have unique characteristics that require tailored treatments. You can easily test your porosity by performing a simple water test. Place a clean strand of hair in a glass of water and observe how it behaves. If it sinks quickly, you likely have high porosity. If it floats for a while, you have low porosity. And if it sits in the middle, you have medium porosity. Low porosity hair has tightly packed cuticles that resist moisture, often leading to dryness and product buildup. Lightweight oils like argan oil and sweet almond oil absorb easily without weighing hair down. Use heat to help products penetrate by wrapping your hair in a warm towel. and avoid heavy creams that can sit on the surface and make hair look greasy. Medium porosity hair balances moisture well, with slightly raised cuticles that absorb and retain hydration effectively. It thrives with oils like coconut oil and olive oil, which provide nourishment without overloading the hair. A simple routine focusing on moisture balance is ideal for this type. High porosity hair has loosely spaced cuticles that absorb moisture quickly but lose it just as fast, making it prone to dryness and damage. Heavier oils like castor oil and shea butter oil are excellent for sealing moisture and restoring strength. Adding occasional protein treatments and leave-in conditioners can help protect and hydrate this hair type. Incorporating hair rinses into your routine can elevate your hair care to a whole new level by adding nourishment, enhancing shine, and addressing specific concerns. And they work wonderfully as an additional step between shampooing and conditioning, providing targeted benefits that leave your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. One highly beneficial option is an apple cider vinegar rinse, which you can create by mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. This rinse helps to balance the scalp's pH, remove buildup, and enhance shine, while leaving your hair feeling soft and light. Another popular choice is a rice water rinse, which involves soaking half a cup of uncooked rice in 2 to 3 cups of water to extract its nutrients. This rinse is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that strengthen the hair, promote growth, and improve elasticity. To complete your wash routine, always finish with a cold water rinse, as this simple yet powerful step helps to seal the hair cuticle, lock in moisture, and boost shine, leaving your hair smoother and more radiant than ever. To keep your hair in the best possible condition, it's important to minimize the use of heat styling tools like straighteners, curlers, and blow dryers, as the high temperatures can strip your hair of its natural moisture, leading to dryness, breakage, and overall damage. Whenever you can, let your hair air dry naturally, as this reduces the risk of heat-induced harm while still allowing your hair to maintain its natural texture and shine. Additionally, try to avoid chemical treatments such as coloring or perming, as these processes can weaken the hair shaft, disrupt its natural structure, and leave it more susceptible to damage and split ends. If you do choose to color or treat your hair with chemicals, make sure to give it extra care and hydration to counteract any potential damage. By being mindful of how much heat and chemicals your hair is exposed to, you can help maintain its strength, softness, and overall health for the long term. When it comes to detangling your hair, it's important to be gentle and patient, starting from the tips and slowly working your way up to the roots to avoid causing unnecessary breakage or damage. This method helps to loosen tangles without pulling on your hair too harshly, ensuring that the strands stay healthy and intact. There are a variety of combs and brushes designed specifically for different hair types, so choosing the right tool can make all the difference in keeping your hair smooth and free from knots. For curly or textured hair, it's best to use wide-tooth combs, Denman brushes, or pick combs, as these tools allow for detangling without disrupting your natural curl pattern or creating frizz. If you have fine or straight hair, using a boar bristle brush, a round brush, or a fine-tooth comb will help maintain the shine and smoothness of your hair while minimizing breakage. For those with thick hair, paddle brushes or wide-tooth combs are ideal for both detangling and smoothing, as they can cover more surface area and handle the volume without causing excess tension on the hair. If your hair is damaged or fragile, opt for a tangle teaser or a wide-tooth comb, as these tools are designed to detangle gently and reduce the risk of further breakage. And for my straight hair girlies, it's also important to avoid brushing wet hair, as it's more prone to snapping and breaking due to its increased elasticity when damp. By detangling with care and using the right tools for your hair type, you can keep your hair healthy, strong, and beautifully smooth. To truly protect your hair, it's essential to take small steps that minimize damage and keep your strands looking their best. One simple but effective way is by switching to a silk or satin pillowcase, which helps reduce friction as you sleep, preventing tangling and frizz while preserving the natural moisture of your hair. When you're exposed to the sun, wind, or pollution, it's important to protect your hair from environmental stressors that can cause dryness and damage. So consider covering your hair with a scarf or a hat, or applying a protective leave-in conditioner to form a barrier against harmful elements. If you style your hair with heat, always make sure to apply a heat protectant spray beforehand, as it helps to shield your strands from the damaging effects of flat irons, curling irons, or blow dryers, allowing you to style without sacrificing the health of your hair. Lastly, whenever possible, try to incorporate heatless styling options into your routine, such as braiding your hair before bed for waves or using flexi rods to create curls, as this helps to give your hair a break from the damage caused by excessive heat and keeps it looking fresh without the need for constant styling. By taking these simple precautions, you can significantly improve your hair's resilience and maintain its strength and shine over time. Thanks for being here with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, stay fabulous.